Hello guys, welcome to this video. In today's video, we're talking about simultaneous equation. Now in this series, I'm going to be simplifying simultaneous equations step by step. So now let's get right into what we have for today. What is a simultaneous equation? Now when we have series of equations that in order to get the values of the variable, we have to solve them the same time. We call this equation simultaneous equation. So let's say we have 2x plus y is equal to 1, and we have x plus y is equal to 2. These equations are simultaneous equations because in order for us to get the value of x and the value of y, we have to solve these two equations the same time. So that is what a simultaneous equation is. Now we have different methods of solving simultaneous equation. The first method of solving simultaneous equation we have is substitution method. We have elimination method, we have graphical method, matrix method, and Cramer's rule. Now in today's video, we'll be talking only about substitution method. So the first question says solve the simultaneous equation x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. So solution, we have x plus y equal to 10 and x minus y equal to 2. So when solving simultaneous equation using substitution method, what we do is that we make either x or y in any of the equations to be the subject of the formula. So this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Now we are going to make x to be the subject of the formula in equation 1. So we are going to have x is equal to 10 minus y. When we take y to the right hand side, we have x is equal to 10 minus y. Now we can call this equation equation 3, which is derived from equation 1. The next thing we are going to do is that we are going to put equation 3 into equation 2. Note that we are not putting equation 3 into equation 1 because we derived equation 3 from equation 1. So we have x minus y equal to 2 as equation 2. So putting x to be 10 minus y, we have 10 minus y is equal to 2. So collecting like terms, we have 10 minus 2y is equal to 2. So taking 10 to the right hand side, we have minus 2y is equal to 2 minus 10. So we have minus 2y is equal to minus 8. So dividing 2 by minus 2, this cancels this cancels, left with 4. So our y is equal to 4. Now, y is equal to 4. We are now going to put y to be equal to 4 into any one of either equation 1 or equation 2. So putting it into equation 1 is x plus y equal to 10. So y is 4. We have x plus 4 equal to 10. So x is 10 minus 4. Therefore, x is 6. So y is 4 and x is 6. So here we have another question. It says solve the simultaneous equation 5x minus 4y equal to 38 and x plus 3y equal to 22. So solution, we have 5x minus 4y equal to 38 and we have x plus 3y equal to 22. So remember, when we are using substitution method, we make either x or y from any of the equations to be the subject. So this is equation 1, this is equation 2. Now, if we make x in equation 2 to be the subject, it will be easier for us to solve. It will get a simpler equation. So let's make x in equation 2 to be the subject. So we have equation 2, making x to be the subject, we have x is equal to 22 minus 3y. Taking 3y to the left and to the right hand side, we have 22 minus 3y. So we can call this equation 3. Now, we are going to put equation 3 into equation 1. Why are we putting it into equation 1, not equation 2? Because we derived equation 3 from equation 2. So instead of putting it into equation 2 back again, we are going to put it into equation 1. So we have 5x minus 4y equal to 38 as equation 1. We are going to have 5 into 22 minus 3y minus 4y equals to 38. So 5 times 22 is 110 minus 5 times minus 3 is minus 15y minus 4y equals to 38. So we have 110 minus 19y is equal to 38. So taking 110 to the right hand side, we have minus 19y is equal to 38 minus 110. So therefore minus 19y is equal to minus 72. So everything divided by minus 19, this is going to cancel this. So y is going to be equal to 72 over 19. So the value of y is 72 over 19. Now we are going to put y to be 72 over 19 in either of the two equations to find the value of x. So we are going to put it into equation 2, which is x plus 3y equal to 22. So we have x plus 3y equal to 22. So we have x plus 3 into 72. 72 over 19 is equal to 22. So this is x plus 216 over 19 is equal to 22. So taking 216 over 19 to the right hand side, we have x is equal to 22 minus 216 over 19. Now LCM is 19. 19 into 1 is 19. 19 times 22 is going to give us 418 minus 216. So which is going to give us 1202 over 19. So therefore, x is 202 over 19 and y is 72 over 19. So these are our values of x and y.